One of the only proven ways to rewire your ex's brain and literally force them to take you back is to use reverse psychology. Now, if you want to see how well this sneaky method actually works, just watch my free tutorial video at breakupbrad.com. Now, the reason this technique is so incredibly powerful is because it's based on proven psychological principles, and it all happens subconsciously. So your ex is literally powerless to resist it. So that means that it works even if your situation is desperate and your ex isn't responding to conventional methods. And best of all, you won't have to beg or plead. Just use this technique properly, and your ex is actually going to be the one begging you to take them back. Just watch my full video to see how it all happens under the radar. It's up on my website for free at breakupbrad.com. And why should you take my word for it? Well, in the 12 years I've been a breakup coach, I've helped over 100,000 people get a second chance with their ex. And this exact reverse psychology trick, the one that I described in my free tutorial video, is one of the biggest reasons why my methods are so effective. And if it still sounds too good to be true, well, watch the video at breakupbrad.com and try out this technique for yourself, and then thank me later.